In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add all mods to a collection at once on Steam. If you've ever wanted to organize your mods more efficiently, this guide will help you do just that in a simple and straightforward manner. So let's get started. First, open your Steam app. If you haven't done so already, log into your Steam account. You'll need to enter your account name and password, and once you've filled those in, simply click on Sign In. After you've logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the Steam homepage. From here, navigate to your library by clicking on the library tab. This is where all your games are listed, and you can select any game you wish to manage mods for. Now that you've selected a game from your list, head over to the workshop section. Once you click on workshop, you'll then click on browse. This is your gateway to a vast array of community created content. In the workshop, you'll find a section labeled collections. Go ahead and click on collections and then choose create collections. This is where the magic starts. Next up, give your new collection a name. This can be anything that helps you easily identify the group of mods. You'll also have the option to choose an image file to represent your collection. Be creative or keep it simple. It's entirely up to you. After naming and adding an image, add a description to your collection, explaining what it's about. Once you're satisfied, click Save and Continue. Once your collection has been saved, we need to add the mods. Click on Subscribed Items. This will take you to a page where you can manage the mods you're currently using. While you're on this page, you'll be in the Add Edit Child Items screen of your new collection. Now for a bit of a technical step, open the developer console by pressing Ctrl+Shift+I on your keyboard. After doing this, ensure you select the console tab in the developer tools. Now in the console, you'll need to paste the code for your mods. This is where the gathered data for your mods will be entered. Simply paste and press enter if the input method is compatible with the mod structure. Once the code has been executed, go ahead and click Save and Close, and there you have it. All of your mods have been successfully added to your collection. This method saves you a significant amount of time, especially if you're dealing with numerous mods. Enjoy organizing your Steam mods with ease, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips.